Hi everyone! Hi guys! Another mini vlog for today's video. This is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, yan pag-usapan natin si Marjorie Barreto. Kasi nga, sobrang viral sila ngayon, usap-usapan sila ngayon. Silang ni Dennis Padilla at ang kanyang mga anak. Dahil nag-ugat nga ito dito sa kasal ni Claudia Barreto. Hindi natin alam kung sino sa kanila ang nagsasabi ng totoo. Pero ito lang, may isang bagay lang talaga akong binalikan. Kasi nakakapagtaka, 'di ba, na yung mga anak ni Marjorie Barreto sa iba't ibang lalaki, puro may mga galit sa kanilang mga ama. Binalikan ko yung interview ni Karen Davila sa kay Rofa Gutierrez. Grabe, ito si Rofa, simulat sa pool pa talaga, noon pa, idulong-idulo ko na siya. Mas lalo ko siyang iniidolo nung na-interview siya ni Karen Davila. Parang siguro mga 8 months na yata at binalikan ko. Kasi ito yung ina na ang sarap pakinggan yung sinasabi niya. Panoorin natin, guys.
Didn't even tell them your dad did this to me. You were quiet.
I want them to respect their father. Balik-balik na rin man ang mundo, that's still their father. Even though in the beginning it was very tumultuous, marami kaming away, heated, marami kaming pinagdaanan. But eventually, time heals all wounds. He may not be around, but don't hate him because without him, there wouldn't be a Lorraine and a Venice.
You said that? Don't hate him.
Yeah, because sometimes
she'd only ever uplift her father. And she gets
To us.
mad when we say mean things.
at yun nangyari sa akin. Pero ayokong magkaroon sila ng hatred towards their father or they will keep that in their lives na sila din. Maybe, you know, when they have relationships one day, that will also affect their relationship with that person.
Ganon yung mindset ng mabuting ina. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye. God bless everyone.